how to comment anonymously on your Facebook group. So this option is not available for every group, so the admin must allow this type of post. So as you can see, I can post here anonymously, but however, if I go to a different group, I won't see the option in this group. But in the first group I have shown, I have this option which says anonymously post. So I'm gonna show you how you can comment anonymously on a group. So all you have to do is tap here and press this got it. Okay, and now just have to enable this. Okay, so now you don't have to post anything, you just have to cancel this. And now once you have done it, as you can see, it has changed to this. Okay, now go to a comment, just open a comment, and right now as you can see here, it has changed. You can change it to your original ID, or you can change it to your anonymously participation. All right, you can now comment something. All right, so let's comment something. All right, and tap here. As you can see, the comment is appears like this. You don't have the name of my ID. So that's how you can do it. You can comment anonymously on a Facebook group, but this option is not available for every group. Okay, this is only available if the admin has allowed this option. So yeah, that's how you do it. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and have a great day.